If it isn't clear, saving Coloradans money and keeping our state affordable is my top priority this session, and one of the biggest areas to save people money is health care. Thanks to Lieutenant Governor Diane Primavera, who leads our Office of Saving People Money on Health Care, our legislative champions have delivered on promises to cut costs, even in the midst of an extraordinary pandemic, capping out-of-pocket drug costs. But of course, we're not done yet. Here in Colorado and across the nation, the pandemic has worsened what was already a horrifying trend of young children and teens and adults suffering increased feelings of isolation and anxiety and depression and other mental health issues. Colorado needs to take further action now. We want to partner with local governments and school districts to multiply the impact of historic funding to create a responsible and effective approach to addressing the mental health needs from the mountains to the plains of Coloradans. And getting there means integrating physical and mental health services, bolstering our often overworked behavioral health workforce, and most importantly, getting Colorado children the support they need to be happy, to just be kids. Thanks to the leadership of Representative Michelson-Janae, we now have the I Matter program, which connects our kids with critical mental health support. As we pursue the improved health and well-being of Coloradans, especially our children, we of course acknowledge the power of a strong education for every child. Helping kids get a great education is not only the most important priority for the state, but it's also the passion of my life's work. I'm so proud that over the last few years we've done what generations before believed impossible. Free full-day kindergarten, universal preschool. Despite our progress, the pandemic has dealt an especially hard challenge for our students. It's made our educators go far beyond what any of them could have expected. My administration worked tirelessly with school superintendents, with local public health leaders to successfully bring Colorado children back to the classroom last year. We're providing free medical-grade masks, more than 2 million distributed to date, to every student, to every teacher who wants one, testing supplies, hosting on-site vaccine clinics to make sure that students and staff members can get the protection that they deserve as our students are safely in school. I want to thank every educator and school staff member who's done their part, who's done more than their part to help keep Colorado schools open. There's nothing more important to the future of our state than educating Colorado children. Thank you for keeping our schools open.